For this recipe, you need 310 grams plain flour, you need 115 grams of cold butter, you need 100 grams of sugar, you need 3 eggs, medium-sized eggs. You also need half a cup of fresh milk, and this time we are using semi-skimmed milk, but it works with whole milk. We also need some salt to taste, some baking powder, some ground nutmeg, and also some vanilla essence. So this is all you need for this recipe. So now let's get started. In a bowl, add in 310 grams of plain flour or all-purpose flour. Then add in 100 grams of sugar, and this time I am using brown sugar, but you can use any type of sugar you like. Now add in 2 teaspoons of baking powder and add 1 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. You can also use the fresh one if you prefer. Next, add in half a teaspoon of salt. Now, with a spoon or a whisk, mix everything until you see that everything is nicely mixed. Next, rub in the butter or margarine, which is 115 grams, okay, until it looks like breadcrumbs. Now leave it aside and concentrate on the eggs. Beat 3 eggs as if you were going to make an omelette. Okay, next add in the milk. So as I said, this is half a cup of milk, semi-skim milk. Use whole milk, skim milk if you like. Beat it and then add it 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and beat it again. Now, little by little, add in the milk and egg to the flour and mix it until you get this nice and smooth dough right here. So it doesn't mean you are going to use all the milk. You will leave some at some point, but just make sure you get that nice and fluffy dough. Now heat up some oil, and when the oil is hot, you can drop in your buns. Make sure you do not make too big buns. Small ones are perfect, okay? And also, one thing, make sure you do not overcrowd the oil with buns, or else the oil will become cold and then the buns will be soggy. That's the problem with this. Now take your time, let them puff, look nice, just as you see here. Make sure it does not burn. Turn them over from time to time. Normally they should turn them over by themselves, but just sometimes they're just a bit stubborn and they don't, and they need a bit of help. So this is it. Your buns are ready when they become nice and golden like this, and make sure you let the oil drain on kitchen towel. And this is it, nice African sweet bun that I am going to open one for you so that you can see how it looks like on the inside. And let me tell you something, your house, your kitchen will smell so good because these actually smell very good. And this is it, nice African buns or drop donuts, however you call it. So this was my quick recipe. I really hope you enjoyed watching it and that you are also going to try it at some point, maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, maybe when you think you're having a party, or just when you want to have some fun, you know, and when you have nothing to do and you want to make some buns. So this recipe is very easy, as I said. If you've got any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you all for watching this recipe. Thank you all for still being loyal to me. I appreciate you all. Bye bye, and God bless you. Bye.